Today we are going to make cabbage kachumbar. It has a lot of other names as well, such as cabbage green chili stir fry, Gobi mirchi no sambar, etc. This is a traditional Gujarati dish that can be best enjoyed with dal rice or roti sabji. Super easy to make. Here are some tips for you. To make this you'll need shredded or cut cabbage, green chilies cut, turmeric, salt to taste, cooking oil, mustard seeds and asafoetida. First, let's watch how to cut a cabbage. We'll need to remove a couple top green leaves on the outside. We will not use these and discard them. We will then have fresh inner leaves, use them one by one and keep them aside. The outer leaves could be handled by multiple people at mart, so I usually don't like to use them. With all the fresh inner leaves, we will now cut the core stem that we don't need for this recipe. Usually the core stem is much harder and doesn't suit or go with this particular recipe. So we'll cut the core stem of all the leaves one by one and keep them aside. Alright, so now I'll have 3 to 4 leaves that I'll place on top of each other and make a roll. And the tip here is to make a tight roll out of it. Place a horizontal slit and finely chop the cabbage in this way. You could certainly use a shredder or a food slicer to get the same output. With this particular method, I get to check each of the leaves, whether they are good or not, but feel free to use other methods. Everyone in my family likes this so much that we end up making a lot more quantity than the standard recommended pickle quantity. Alright, so these stems you could make another pickle with green chilies, which I'll show in another recipe, so do check it out. We now have the cut cabbage or gobi ready, so let's put them in a plate and let's get started with how to make Gobi mirchi no sambaro or cabbage green chilies stir fry. Now take a pan and add some cooking oil. Let the flame be on medium high. Once the oil is heated for about 30 seconds, we'll need to add mustard seeds. Make sure you crackle the mustard seeds because if they are raw, then the taste wouldn't be that good. So you can see that the mustard seeds are now crackled. We'll now add hing or asafoetida to this. I'm adding green chilies to this and we'll give it a good nice stir for about 30 seconds on medium-high flame. The idea is for the green chilies to blend really well with the oil and the flavor will be soaked in the oil. So now I'm adding cut cabbage to this, and similar to green chilies, we'll give this a very nice mix such that all the oil gets coated around the cabbage and you get even flavor across the cabbage. I added salt and now I'm adding turmeric. Now the idea is to again continuously stir this for about 30 to 40 seconds on medium-high flame. The tip here is to not overcook this. This is best enjoyed when kept little raw. So here, your cabbage green chili stir fry is ready. I definitely recommend you to try this and please share your comments below. And as always, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you until next time. Thank you for watching.